Okay, so you guys are probably wondering what I'm doing with this big hook next to me. So basically, some of the humans sleep upstairs in this barn. There's an upstairs, obviously. And so I'm gonna try and pull myself up so that, you know, I can knock them out because there's this really cool little flap up there. And anyways, so I need to try and hook my collar up here. So I don't know how that's gonna work. I've tried several times already, so yeah. And then I'm just gonna get one of the animals that are up there to pull me up, probably one of the rabbits, because the rabbits are really dumb if you haven't noticed. So I'm gonna see if I can get some. Get on my collar. Wiggles! Hurry up and pull me! I'm suffocating. I'm trying. I can't get a hold of the rope. I got it. Pull me up. That swung really fast. Ah! Ugh. Why did you do that, Wiggles? Pull me up properly. Right, I'm trying to calm down. That's better, Wiggles. But now I'm stuck. Oh, get me out of here. Calm down. I just pull it over or something. I don't know. Hurry up and do something. Oh, be careful. I'm very fragile. No, you're not, Nikki. Now just unhook it somehow. I'm trying. Alright, I think I've got it. Okay, if I can unhook my collar, this will be the best thing I've done in the world. Oh, come on, collar. Oh! Oh, poor Nikki, are you alright? I'm trying to lower the hook back down, but actually, maybe you should just try and climb the ladder. Do you think that would be a good idea? Yeah, maybe it would. I don't know, though. Oof. Oh, this is so much easier. Ah! Had to say that, didn't I? Nikki, you can do it. Don't let a little ladder beat you. Alright, I should be such a me. Ah, safe on ground. Ooh. The owners love some cookies. Okay, now I can take the owners out of their bed. The plan is, as you can see, there's the owners. They're sleeping, obviously, and I can just pop them out because there's that little window back there. It's kind of slightly open, actually, but that's the plan. So we're gonna go with my epic plan. Oh my gosh, these guys are heavy. All right, both of them need to go. Ah! Oh my gosh, how could I do that? Let's just get out. Of course I choose not to get stuck. Why can't I fall anymore? Push me, rabbit. Alright. Oh! Now we just need to get out of here. Oh, Nikki, where are you? Okay. Whoa. See that ladder right there? What if I could get on it and go on the roof? Okay, I better catch it really fast. Oh, I missed. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I did it! Yeah, I did it! I would be happy about it for too much longer. Oopsies. Let's go. And in action. Ooh, my watery bucket. Yeah. That should fall right on her. Perfect idea.